Aloha! I'm heading downtown here in just a few minutes. Gonna ride with a handy van. Handy van is for disabled, and they pick you up and drop you off right where you're going. Stewbum Stonewall, and named after the family or something like that. But it has great pizza, so I'm looking forward to that too. Uh-oh, I guess I better go. When the handy van's gonna be on time, and they don't wait for you. You can wait for them, but they're not gonna wait for you, so. At the Stewbum Stonewall, and I'll be meeting my friend Bradley here shortly. We came right downtown in Honolulu, Hawaii Brewing Company. I think this is going to be a lot of fun, but look forward to talk to you later. Here we go, I'll go inside. Okay, here we go.
This is Black is Beautiful Imperial Stout, 10% alcohol, my vote.
Black and Beautiful. Oh, this is very good. I can't. Bradley shows up. I better get it pretty soon, Brad.
So, okay, so this is, we're at Stewbum in Stonewall. They just opened. It's a nice brewery in Chinatown. And right now I'm trying their house beer that they made, Black is Beautiful. And then this one is called the Viking Space Probe. Cheers. So good.
Is that good?
Excellent.
Okay. What kind of pizza is this?
Spinach and garlic.
Okay. Looks good, thanks.
You're welcome, enjoy.
Alright.
And you go ahead and cut one off for me. Here.
They're already cut off. See, she already cut them. There you go. And you got napkins?
Yeah, all set.
You want another one?
No, it's fine for now.
Yeah. So when are they gonna start having those up and running?
Soon. It has to do with, you told me about it. And so what's it called again?
Coconut wireless nitro.
Okay.
All right.
Look forward to it. Thank you. Okay, yeah.
It's hard being a vlogger. There you go.
No, taste it. Okay. What do you think?
It's good. Coconut wireless. I hear you.
Please do.
Oh, that one's good.
So what you want to call it again?
This is the barbecue short rib pizza. Okay. Stewbum and Stonewall.
Okay. Got it? All right. We're ready to go.
That's
And
cool.
we want to do the growler, the food, and everything on one tab, and then the hash, sure, I'll get that.
Yeah.
Right? All right?
Yeah. You sure? Okay, we're at Stewbum and Stonewall. This is a growler, and we got the signature brew. So come on down. They're gonna open these things up pretty soon. And we'll have a good old time here at Stewbum and Stonewall in Chinatown, Hawaii.
Hey, that was a great trip. And we stayed at Stewbum. My friend Bradley bought me this hat. Isn't that great? Hit the button, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.